The UN report states 150 million more women are starving worldwide than men. 60% of all people who are starving are women. Then it describes gender inequality and so on. But one thing shocked me most. Tens of millions of women worldwide eat last and eat least. Suddenly, a woman is squarely in the limelight. You keep giving the example of a woman and a child as an example of bestowal in this world. Could you tell us something about women from this perspective?
It's all about responsibility.
It's imprinted in them, right?
Yes. Responsibility. After all, she feels her family, her children, her husband, and all her surroundings. For her, it is her own self.
Wow.
Yes, therefore the Torah says, Isha Zabayit.
A woman is the home.
Indeed.
Aren't these the greatest qualities in the world, by and large?
Of course.
Why can't we turn everything over to a woman? Give her everything. Put her in charge.
No, she can't do that.
Can she not?
She can't do that. But when a man does everything for her, then it will work.
So we have to set up such a system?
Yes, of course, because we have to create such conditions for women through which the world will indeed be transformed.
That is, the world will be transformed through a woman?
Yes.
Tell me, why does a woman have all these qualities? Is it because she gives birth?
It is indeed because she gives birth, because she feels through herself, through her heart, through her uterus, she feels nature. Therefore, naturally, that's how it is described in the Bible. And Abraham is told straight up, listen to what Sarah tells you. This is not so simple.
In other words, should we take this as a directive to listen to what a woman tells you?
This is an instruction from the Creator to Abraham.
True, so who are we not to listen to a woman?
What more can I say?
Are we talking here by and large about the inner wisdom of a woman?
Yes, the inner wisdom, natural to her, not artificial like a man's.
Do you see nature as female, in general, whenever you speak of nature?
In general, yes.
Really?
A man's purpose is correction, to the extent he can merit the quality, the force of correction. But a woman, she already is within nature.
So if we listened to a woman and had the right attitude towards her, work for her sake, would there be no wars or suffering? Would there be no sorrow?
Well, in general, of course.
Really?
Yes.
Can we boil everything down to a woman in this way?
Well, it depends on how you look at it, but in general, yes. If we listen to a woman, then of course, there would be more order in the world. That much is clear.